Acura Integra 1994, and I've got a couple issues in regards to this door. One is the screws have come out of this, so that is loose. And maybe that's what has to do with this, but also I can't open it from the inside either from using this. So I'm missing one of these screws. Here's this one. That'll fit in there. It barely fits. So I need another one like this. My father had a can of various screws that he always saved, kept it in there. And so I'm going to look for something similar. After going through this bin, I found three that are possible. These are all countersink, but the threads on these are thicker than what I need. These threads are okay. This one has a head that is not, I mean I can use this, but then it's not a Phillips. So this is about the right length, and so I'm going to use this one. So this is my replacement screw, and it works great.